What's up, everybody? This is 3.4 order of operations.
Steps to order of operation is called PEMDAS. P equals parentheses, E equals exponent, M equals multiplication or multiply, division is D, A is addition, and S is subtraction.
One way to remember is by using "Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally."
Sure.
And another one is potatoes, exercise, mom's diet, anchovy salad.
Okay, for the steps for order of operations, step 1, simplify all powers. Step 2, simplify expressions inside the parentheses. And then step 3, multiply or divide from left to right. Step 4, add or subtract from left to right. Make sure to follow every step in order, or else your problem and your solution will be all wrong.
Okay, so for example 1 is 3 plus 2 to the second power times 5. And for step 1, you simplify all powers. So it's 3 plus 4 times 5. So since there is no parentheses, as it says in step 2, simplify expressions inside the parentheses, there is no parentheses in this, so then you do step 3, which is multiply. So then it's 3 plus 20, and then you do step 4, which is add or subtract, and it equals 23.
So now we go on to example 2, which is 10 plus 2x minus 2 to the third power divided by 4, where 4 equals x equals 9. So now you have to plug in 9 for x, so it'd be 10 plus 2 times 9 minus 2 to the third power divided by 4. So now you simplify everything in the parentheses, and that would be 10 plus 18, and that equals 28, and then you do minus 2 over to third power divided by 4. Alright, since we don't have space here, I'm just going to erase it all, so copy this down in your notebook. So erase this part. Now write 28 minus 2 to the third power divided by 4. Just erase this. And now you have to simplify the exponent, so it would be 28 minus 8 divided by 4. Now you do step 3, multiply or divide from left to right. So it would be 28 minus 2, and that equals 26.
Now example 3, order of operations with fraction. First and foremost, step 1 says that we have to do parentheses, which is PEMDAS, which equals P. So 16 minus 2 over 3 plus 4 plus 7, parentheses is 8 plus 2. So first we have to do 8 plus 2. So then that equals 16 minus 2 over 3 plus 4 plus 7, 10. Because 8 plus 2 equals 10. Now we're going to do step 3, multiplication or divide from left to right. Since there's a fraction, so a fraction would equal division. So then 6 minus 2 is 8 over 7 plus... Oops. Oh, I made a mistake. I actually meant 14. I didn't mean to say that, but plus 7 times 10. Again, since we don't have space, I'm going to be erasing all of this, so make sure you copy all of this down in your notebook.
You are so annoying.
14 over 7 plus 7 times 10 parentheses. I hope you made sure that you copied this down. If you didn't copy this down, please go back to the video to copy it down. Okay, so now what we do is still again step 3, because we have a multiplication 7 times 10. So that would equal 7. Okay, so now what we do is simplify 14 over 7, which equals to 2. So that equals 2 plus 70, which equals the answer to 72.
Now moving on to example 4. Negative 3 absolute value of 4 minus 10 plus 8 divided by 2. Steps to remember from it, since it's all the way back in our other slide, so I'm going to pick brown, kind of. And then we're going to do P, E, M, DOS. Then first step is to solve the absolute value, so negative 3, negative 6, plus 8 over 2. By the way, absolute value is a special kind of set of parentheses, so it's just like parentheses, but it's special. So we have to solve that first, and it's pretty much a positive all the time. So technically, absolute value means how many numbers away from 0. So the next step is to evaluate negative 3 with negative 6. But since the eval parentheses is from negative 6, so we have to do negative 3, 6 plus 8 over 2. Since I ran out of space, pause this video to make sure that you got all these problems and notes, because I'm going to erase it. So that would be negative 3, evaluate negative 6, plus 8 over 2. Oops, I meant a positive 6. Now we evaluate, which would be negative 18 plus 8 over 2. Now we do negative 18 plus 8, which equals negative 10 over 2, which equals the answer, which is negative 5.
Now we're going to do like a guided practice, and you could stop the video and try it by yourself and then play it to see if you got the answer right. We had a little technical difficulty, sorry there. And then you multiply it by 4, and then it equals. So you could stop the video now and see if you get it right, but if you want to see what to do, you do 15 divided by, and then you do what's in here, which is 5 times 4. And don't forget to do the PEMDAS, which is a parentheses first, and then the exponents, but we don't have any of the exponents in this problem, so you don't have to worry about that. And then step 3 is multiply or divide, and step 4 is add or subtract. So since we have division first in this problem, you do 15 divided by 5, which is 3 times 4, and 3 times 4 is 12. So that's our video, and if you need to go back and check any of the steps, please do so. We're going to do a little harder of a problem. So 6 plus 2, 4, plus 5, the second power. Second power. 6 plus 2. First we're going to do the parentheses, which is like the absolute value, and it's 8 over 4 plus 25. I'm just putting this all into one step because it's easier. You can do it each way. Times 8. And then you divide this, so it's 2 plus 25 times 8. Okay, so then you have to multiply, and it's 2 plus 200. And I'm kind of running out of room, but it equals 202. So this is a little bit of a harder of a problem. You could have stopped it and then saw the answer. And if you're still confused, just go back to the beginning and look over the steps again. And just remember that P equals parentheses, E equals exponents, M is multiply, D is for divide, A is for addition, and S is for subtraction. And this video is by Jill and the Cool Crew. Jill.
The cool crew.
Video by Tiffany, Madison, Jill, and Rishi.
Rishi.